You can modify your Royal Enfield सिर्फ 1 लाख से थोड़ा ऊपर है यार, ये देखो.
The headlamp is a tractor headlamp.
What? It looks like a safety pin, guys.
The entire setup is one.
Hi guys and welcome back to Bike with Girl. आज मेरे साथ एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सी मोटरसाइकिल खड़ी है. This is actually a normal Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350 जिसको बनाया गया है to look as good as this. Now इसका आप बजट सुनोगे ना तो आपके होश उड़ जाने वाले हैं, क्योंकि बिल्डर ने इस पे सिर्फ 1 लाख से थोड़ा ऊपर स्पेंड किया है टू मेक इट लुक एज गुड एज दिस. यार कैसे? रुको, क्योंकि मैं आपके साथ सारे डिटेल्स शेयर करने वाली हूँ इस वीडियो में. बने रहो, सतर्क रहो. चलो सुन लेते हैं इसको पहले. कैसी लगी जरूर बताना कमेंट्स में. हाँ आ जाओ यार, creator of this bike. One of the creators of this bike rather. How are you doing, man?
Good.
Karthik is one of the 2 of SNS Customs, and he has been able to make something like this possible in a budget like that, which is very, I think for me, I think is most important, that you've been able to make something look so nice in a small budget.
Yeah, I think that is the whole concept, so that, you know, people who don't really want to spend too much and still get a custom motorcycle which stands out of the crowd. That was the whole logic of getting such kind of a motorcycle in that budget possible.
Right. When your customer came to you and said, मेरे को Thunderbird के साथ कुछ करना है, did he come with a specific brief या तुमने?
So for this particular motorcycle, he had given us a free hand.
Oh, very nice.
You do something.
You do SNS.
Yeah. You do SNS, and I want a bobber.
Okay.
And he was more on I want something on the old school lines.
Okay.
And this is something that me and Amit, we really wanted to build from a very long time, like with a ape hanger, a teardrop tank, and a sissy bar. Yeah,
actually now just take us through it. You might as well, you're standing here. So let's start from the front.
Okay, the front is a 19-inch 110 section tire that we've put.
Right.
It's a broader tire than what the Thunderbird or the Classics usually have on a Royal Enfield.
Okay.
It's one size up.
Very nice.
But the tire radius remains the same.
Okay.
The fender is a custom built fender, a small short bobber fender. The headlamp is a tractor headlamp that we've used on this one also.
What is happening with you and tractors, yaar? I love it that you can actually take. So let's be honest, कितनी की थी ये?
The entire setup is $1,000.
Not bad, bro. This is called creativity, right? कि आप कुछ भी लेके अगर वो फिट होता है आपके एक डिजाइन और कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ, that's most important. You can't just take anything and put it there. फिर वो अच्छा नहीं, अटपटा लगता है.
Yes. And majorly why we wanted to use this is because of the tapering dome that you see at the back. That is actually continued on the tank as well. The tank is also called a teardrop tank. So this
in harmony
with
each other.
That is the reason we wanted to incorporate this on this motorcycle.
Okay.
So it's a small teardrop tank that usually used to see on this
color,
old.
Yeah. It's such a, like, I feel like Santa Claus perfect.
Yeah. It was a Christmas motorcycle this year.
खुश हो.
I mean last year.
इनको Santa बुलाना चाहिए था. Tell me about the handlebars.
So this was a last minute addition.
Oh.
Yes, it was a very last minute addition that because the entire bike was looking very nice and a normal handlebar wasn't really going on with the look.
I'm sure.
And the owner of the motorcycle is also as tall as I am. Not exactly as I am, but he's 6'2".
Oh.
So we were like, Arey, we can give you a handlebar which really suits your height. That is how this came. But this is hand built.
Which means like bent by hand?
Yes, the bends are done by hand.
Okay.
And there are joints on this. So this is not one piece.
Wow.
Yeah, so the entire handle is made in total of 5 pieces.
Damn good. And you were saying something about the sissy bar also. By the way, it looks like a safety pin, guys. Look at it. Full safety pin feels है इस पे, देखो.
Yeah, this is the tail end of the safety pin.
Super.
So this is called a spring action bend that we've done.
Okay.
This is also not done on the machine. This is hand bent.
What are you saying?
Yes, on a pulley. It's hand
That
bent.
looks so
So
good,
you can see it's not very accurate.
Yeah.
It's a little off from the center.
I think
that is the reason it is off, because we wanted to keep it so hand built.
Yeah.
So that's the sissy bar. The tail frame is not cut but removed. So in this case, if ever, like after 4 years, 5 years, he wants to get back to the Thunderbird, he can come back to the Thunderbird as it is.
Oh, okay.
So nothing has been chopped from this.
Very nice. So आप बोल रहे हो कि no changes to engine, No changes to chassis, no
Yes.
changes to rear subframe.
Nothing.
Basically, it is more a cosmetic job
Yes.
than a proper
model.
surgery.
Yes, yes,
ये
yes.
क्या mistake
It was
था
not an
ये
open
क्या?
heart.
It was not an open heart. अच्छा यार ये exhaust के बारे में बता दो because it does not sound like a stock Thunderbird exhaust, doesn't look like one either.
Yeah, it's a Harley Davidson 48 exhaust. Yeah, the Harley Davidson 48, the Bobber 48.
Yeah.
It's the exhaust from that motorcycle.
और इसका price क्या होगा?
So this is close to 10,000 rupees.
Wow. Okay. But
So-
man, it adds, I love the upswept look that it gives the bike.
Yes, that is
And-
one major reason why we wanted to use this.
Oh, very nice.
Because the other exhaust you can't
You
you
can't-
can't
you
give
can't.
that degree and that angle.
That is just Royal Enfield for you. हम यही
Yes.
देंगे. यही होगा. Forever यही होगा. Except 650 लोगे तो maybe
तो
you
थोड़ा
have
chance
chance in hell.
But I think that's the beauty of Royal Enfield
Yeah.
motorcycles, that you get to do anything and everything with them.
True.
Like right from a
can mold
chopper
them
to a
into-
cruiser to a
Very true.
bobber to a cafe racer and a scrambler.
And a scrambler. Wonderful.
Yes, and a scrambler.
अभी इसका price क्या था? Because I have told people a little over 1.
Yes. So this particular motorcycle
yeah.
is close to 150.
Okay, that's not bad.
Yeah, but we do bobbers on a lower budget also, which can be fit into 1.2 lakhs.
Very nice, yeah. That's damn
So
good.
you remove something and
Yeah,
add
you
something.
can delete some aspects. Like if you
Yes.
don't want, like what would you? I think this would be very expensive.
Yes, the exhaust will not remain
Addition.
the same.
You don't need
You will
that.
not get the same handlebar. Handmade things will come out.
Because they're more expensive.
Yes.
Of course. Of
So
course.
the sissy bar, we'll give you a normal sissy bar and not the
Not the
Springer sissy
Okay.
bar.
How much time did this take, this build?
Oh, this is 1.5 months, 45
Wow.
days. Yes.
Well done, man. Really,
This
well
is a
done.
quick one.
Very nice, very nice. I also enjoyed riding the bike. I felt like it was nice and light, very nimble.
Yeah,
not much
very
change.
easily maneuverable.
And I always thought ape hangers are going to be like harder to get used to, but they're not high. They're not super high.
Yes.
I adjusted to them fairly quickly. मेरे को बड़ी पसंद आई.
Yeah, it's a very small
अभी
and
मेरे लिए
very
बना
quick
दो.
bike. Yes, definitely.
Because I don't have a donor bike, but बना दो.
Let's do SRS X Priyanka coaches
Yes.
soon.
पहले मेरी kinetic बन जाए फिर करेंगे. But thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
And may you keep making more stuff.
Absolutely.
To wow us.
I think we'll see you soon.
You better.
Yes.
I have to keep calling you. You never call me on my cell phone.
No. I'll do that.
Anyway, अगर आपके पास रेगुलर लुकिंग बाइक है और आपको उसके साथ कुछ अनोखा करना है, थोड़ा पैसा जोड़ लो. 1 lakh is a lot of money for a lot of people, I know.
Yes.
But 1 lakh in today's day is also not a lot of money for a job like this, where your bike looks like, doesn't even look like a
It
Royal
stands
Enfield.
out.
Yeah, it doesn't even look like a
Yeah.
a Royal Enfield Thunderbird anymore. Like आज मेरे को कितने लोग बोल रहे थे कि अरे ये कौन सी बाइक है,
Which
कौन सी
one?
बाइक है. That's the beauty, right? That even though you've not done so much on it, the smaller bits, it still looks like a different bike. तो आपको कैसी लगी ये बाइक? Comments में बताओ. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And I will see you next week with a new bike. See ya!